Fire cider is really just a tincture. And what is a tincture? A tincture is when we extract medicine from the plant using some sort of liquid medium. In this case, our liquid medium is apple cider vinegar, which of course has its own premier health benefits. Fire cider can be used as a daily tonic. It can be used as a salad dressing, or you can just keep it as a strong medicinal to take when you do get sick. Either way, it's a beautiful thing to make. It's an easy, unique gift to give for this holiday season. Fire cider is something you should make every season, always have on hand, and enjoy being healthy. When you're thinking about your fire cider, I want you to think about it in terms of hot and cold. If you have a fever and your mucous membranes are dry and inflamed, you might want to take a milder version of fire cider. That's why I typically make mine mild, because it's always easy to add heat, but it's very difficult to take that heat away. If you have a cold and congested condition, stuffy nose, your lungs are stuffy, maybe you're achy but you're not really sweating, then you want to add more heat to your fire cider. You want to think about your fire cider in terms of whether you're trying to heat up the body or just provide antibacterial support. So that's the fire cider. The Florida fire cider that I make, of course, has a lot of different ingredients in it because it is for down here. And this is a great time of year to make fire cider to give as gifts, because as you can see, this is a super huge batch, but you'll see when we finish the small batch, it's really a pretty thing to have on the counter.
I've got a bottle of Cynthia's fire cider, and I'm so impressed with her herbal infusion. The taste is amazing.
I'm doing elderberry.
Cynthia makes her living as an herbalist.
She's an amazing plant.
She sells fire cider, tinctures, ghee, and other products, and she also has a class available on how to make fire cider. The class is only $10, and the link is below in the description.